Watermelon. A table for one, please.
Certainly, Hanson, follow me. Can I take your order?
I have the grilled steak. Another side order or fried.
Okay, stick and fry. Would you like something for drink?
Can I see the drinks menu?
Of course, here you are.
Okay. I'll have a glass of wine. Thank you. Thank you.
Would you like some coffee or dessert?
A cup of coffee would be nice. Thank you. Thank you. Could I have the bill, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Can I pay by the credit card?
I think you can. Only cash, sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay, here you are $50. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you, Hanson. Have a good day.
Have a good day too.